Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome again to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to restore Google Chrome to its default settings. So, if you made any change to your Google Chrome browser and you cannot find what is that and you are facing problem for that, and if you want to make your Google Chrome as when you installed it, for restoring default settings you have to go to this three dot, click settings, then here you can see advanced option, click on it, go down and click reset and clean up, and here you can see restore settings to their original defaults, and the another option is clean up computer. So we need to restore settings to their original defaults, so click here. Here we can see, if we click reset settings, what will happen? The action will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data, and bookmarks, history and saved passwords won't be affected. It means your bookmarks, history and saved passwords will not be lost. So click here and reset your settings. As I don't want to reset my settings, I don't click it. If you want to reset your settings, you just click here and all will be done. So thank you.